In a meeting, you decide on something, but it fizzles out. What a shame and unnecessary. I'm David Stiernholm, and in this season's last episode of Done, I'll share how you can make sure nothing falls through the cracks. But first, avoid a lot of stress and last-minute solutions when they kick off after summer approaches. Book your energizing and concrete lecture on structure with me already now. I will then share how, with the good structure, you and your colleagues can allocate more time to your most important tasks, how you can gain momentum in the right direction with increased focus, and how you can reduce stress. Other clients have said that my lectures are engaging and interactive, and that of all the speakers we've had, you're the one who has given us the most tools and value, and that I lecture with warmth, humor, and curiosity about your audience. Please get in touch with me at david@stiernholm.com by Friday, and I'll send you a proposal promptly. Emma emailed me and mentioned that in their organization, they sometimes struggle to keep track of and locate decisions that have been made. It's not just in their organization, I can tell you, but this is quite common. The consequence is often that some decided things are not implemented, that the same question comes up over and over again, or that it is forgotten what we said. The need here is twofold, as I see it. First, you want to be able to review what was decided at the meeting as a whole, and second, see what becomes of each decision that was made. I imagine 5 steps you can take. Do this. First, choose a place and format for meeting notes as a whole. Do you take notes in OneNote, on 1 page per meeting, in the section dedicated to that meeting forum in the shared notebook? Or should the notes be in Google Docs or in Word? Decide how each meeting note will be named. What format should the file name always have? What information should the heading of the note always contain? If you name them differently depending on what the person taking notes feels like at the moment, you will have to spend unnecessary time searching later on. And the third step, create a template for the notes, or at least decide how the decisions made in the meeting should be marked so that they stand out from the rest of the text. And step 4, additionally, select the location to observe how each decision is implemented and ultimately completed. If the person taking notes in OneNote sets an Outlook flag at each decision so that a to-do task is created in to-do, which the note-taker can assign to the person responsible for implementation? Or is it sent to another list tool that you use instead? Or do you have a Trello board or planner plan where decisions move through the columns not started, in progress, and finally completed? In step 5, test the procedure during a couple of meetings to ensure the flow from meeting to implementation to the next meeting works smoothly. Because if you agree in a way to log your decisions over time, fewer things will fall through the cracks. What you decide will be implemented to a greater extent than before, and you'll get more concrete results from the work you put in. During and between meetings, you can all see clearly who is responsible for what and how far the implementation of each decision has progressed. No doubts. Do you use a completely different method to log your decisions? Perhaps you use a tool that you think works phenomenally. Please let me know by email at david@stiernholm.com. I look forward to hearing from you. And thank you for today and the first half of 2025. Now, both I and the weekly podcast are taking a vacation. We'll both be back again on Monday, August 18th. Have a great summer.